for asking.
Now it's audible and visible.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So could you like to introduce yourself?
Sure, ma'am. Why not? I would be more than happy to introduce myself in front of someone. So, you're not visible. What happened? I don't know.
Yes, yes, you are audible and visible both.
Yes. Now we will proceed. Okay. Okay, ma'am. I'm Trinath from Orissa, the part of India. I have a family. There are 5 members in my family, and I have done my graduation. Right now, I'm not forcing any further study, and I'm just staying at home to work as a farmer and greengrocer with my mom and dad. And
Yeah.
along with this, I'm just running a YouTube channel by the name of English with Trinath, where I just share my contents, share my knowledge with the people around the globe. And my hobbies are playing cricket, listening to music only in English, and listen to speeches, TEDx speakers, and sometimes native English speakers. And long-term goal is to be an innovative English teacher in my career. That's all about me, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I think it's my turn, right?
Yeah.
So as you know, my name is Sandhya Mishra. I am from UP. I am post-graduation in English and I am running my own institute whose name is American Institute. It's all about me.
Okay, great. You're running an institute. It's fantastic, I think. And how many students are there?
I have 120 students, but
Oh
I
my God,
teach
it's
online
good.
and offline both.
Okay. So how can you manage both, online and even offline simultaneously? It's amazing art, I think. You have the great art.
Yeah, I keep some teachers for my help.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, you teach to the students. You are the only teacher, or there are some teachers behind you? They all are working with
Some
you.
teachers behind me.
Mhm. Very good job, man. You are handling both, profession and even fashion. Like, you are managing both offline and online. It's good. And but I cannot manage the time.
Yeah.
Yes.
So have you any question for me? If you have any question for me, so you can ask question. I will try to reply.
Okay, I have many more questions regarding spoken English as well as communication skill. That my first question is that you are, investing your good amount of time towards the co-learners. So, what do you see yourself when you have the conversation with the people around the globe? What do you see yourself? Because you are expert, you are teaching English, spoken English as a communication skill. You have your
Because
own institution. So, what do you
yes,
see
yes.
in yourself when you have the conversation?
Yeah, definitely I will tell you. Because my most of students are using this application. I take class
Mhm.
from Malaysia, Saudi Arab, Oman City, and Nepal and Gujarat. So that's why I am here. So when I free that time, I take a 2 or 3 video conversation.
Very good. Okay, I think there are 1,000. There are more subscribers. Plus 1,000 subscribers are available in your channel.
Okay. So what I don't have any YouTube channel. I do not make conversation video for my YouTube channel because I don't have time for editing and others.
Mhm. Great. So, which all grade students are available there? They are pursuing their graduation, PG, MA, and they are looking for higher education.
All student I have.
Uh,
All types of student I have.
mm. In a day, how many hours do you teach to the student, ma'am?
I do teach 2 hours in one batch, but I
Okay, in
take
one
three
case,
batch. Yeah,
okay.
I take daily
And
3 batches.
mhm.
Yeah.
And most of the time, you might be feeling demotivated due to such students are not to be able to attend in the class, and sometimes they will absent, sometimes they will attend. So what is the major thing that push you ahead, that you want to teach to the student and teach every day to the students? Even if there are no more students, then also you are eager to teach to the students. What is that main major thing that push you ahead?
I always give good suggestion for of my students. You
Hmm.
should this. You should do that. Yeah.
Okay. Even if there are students not be able to obey your guidance, rules and regulation of the institution, then what do you advise them, and what do you see in them and educate them?
I always say that if you want to learn this language, so you will have to focus on your goal. Without
Hmm.
focusing, you can't speak this language. So I
Ab-
always suggest them.
yeah, yeah, sometimes we need motivation and sometimes we need demotivation, because even if there are no any more demotivation, then how can we push ourselves? There
Yeah.
is no any success and destination place that is without demotivation. Demotivation we need in our life. If we say we
Yes.
don't need demotivation, then it's not good for our career. I'm sure. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sometimes,
You are 100% right.
sometimes we will give up. Sometimes we will keep going. So this is how the life will be, and the career will progress. That's what we
Yes.
have to
Yes.
understand and stabilize our emotion mindset.
So you live in village or city area? Because I am seeing behind you. I think you
Yes,
are living
right
in
now,
a village.
yeah, I live in rural area, and there are so many bullocks behind me. You can see. Consider
Yes.
more
Yes.
about it behind and
I
the
can.
environment. Yeah, I'm just grazing the bullocks in the grass field.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And if you have any more question, then you can ask me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I have lot of question for you. So when did you start your English journey and which purpose are you learning this language?
I have only one purpose, that I want to educate myself and level up my skill, and then I want to educate more and more people who all are not be able to affordable themselves towards going towards the city, going towards the town. They don't have enough money. They have only 500 and 1000 rupees per month they can afford in the institution. So I just want to help them only with 500 and 1000 rupees per month. So I'm just here due to level up my skill. After that, I want to improve the other people's skill.
Okay,
Yes.
good. You are doing great job because you want to help our family. So
Mm,
you are doing the good job.
yes, ma'am. We have to do something in our life, otherwise, our life will be useless. There is
Yeah.
nothing, there is no any meaning without any hard work of our life.
Yeah, we should always hard work.
Mm. Hard work means we have to wake up at about 1 o'clock at night in the midnight and start working. No, it's not the mean of hard working. It's the mean of hard working by managing time. We don't have to sit idle all the time. We have to do something good for day. One good thing or two good things, if we do for day, that will be enough for us and enough for the glove.
Yes, yes, yes. You're right.
If we did
Okay,
great thing for day,
someone
we
calling
might
me,
have done
so
something.
I am disconnecting the call. Okay.
Yes, yes, yeah, ma'am. Take care.